What's up, y'all? It is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I was not feeling it in the way of getting dressed up today, so it's an as-is morning. I woke up like this. Beet juice and my wheatgrass. Feeling fancy. I think I need to get through a little bit of my coffee first. I have just been, sleep has not been great lately. You know, just changing the way things are. It makes it a little bit more tough to stay focused, and I've been staying up too late. And this morning I woke up at 5:30 and I went back to sleep. I was like, oh, it's too early. Although I've been planning to wake up at 5:30 to work out, so maybe that was a sign that I should have gotten up. I was going to do my makeup. I only do my makeup for y'all, so I think I'm going to nix that today. Alright, let's go ahead. Check out this market. Okay, so something quite interesting has happened, and I took a look at things yesterday and I really saw the potential for this move back up, because we bring up this daily chart. This area was going to be an area of resistance, but these MACDs are still saying, forget about it, we're going to keep going up. Now, it may pull up to this 29.39 area, maybe a little higher, who knows, it may keep going back to the upside. We may get things back in shape, but I don't pay attention to that. I pay attention to what's happening immediately. So let's do some rundowns, some evaluations. So overall, it's been kind of stuck between this area, right? Pulled down just a little bit further. It's pushing back up. It's not exactly strong as it's reaching this next area. MACDs aren't exactly strong, but that's showing that as being. Let's move this back. But that's still not strong, right? So we're starting to get a little bit of white BBs. We may see this pull back down a little bit further, push back up. So we're seeing a potential slowdown at this moment. I don't want to take a short though right now. It's still pushing to, it's still got pressure to the upside. I wonder if there's anything we can take to go to that next area here. It's slowing down, but it's still got pressure to the upside. Let's see if I can grab this right behind this little bit of an area. It can still come all the way back here. That area, but didn't break through it. I'm just watching here. I am going to pull this second one up higher. There we go. Getting close. As it's pulling in right here, it could keep going up. You know, I may just take this one trade and call it a day. Let me, how did this one do? Let's see. 5.5 points. Like 9 minutes. I'm feeling greedy. I want more than that. So I need to listen to that. I really want to give this one a chance. But I just can't, right? Yeah. So I almost got myself sucked into the trap right there. Sucked into the trap. Drink your coffee and watch it, Lindsay. You know better. You know better than to try and force that short. Trying to make it do what I want it to do, because what I say earlier, I wanted more points. I was feeling greedy. I gotta recognize those things about myself. Very weak pullback. That makes me impatient, because here is more of the move, right in here. Very weak pullback, pushing down now. Okay, y'all. I am gonna call this a day. It's only 30 minutes. We'll mark. I think I forgot to mark it up last time. That's all she wrote there for me today. So let's find where that is. I most definitely could have held that trade a little bit longer. I even say it in there. I was feeling very greedy at the moment. I just, that greedy is impatient. It's wanting more to happen. When I feel that way, then I try and make things happen. And that never works for me. So I felt myself trying to put myself into that short trade, even though I knew it still had potential to push back up. When it did push back up, I was not ready. Was not ready for that trade to enter it. So it is what it is, right, guys? I have a meeting real soon here. Got so much to do. I haven't really taken a day off. I took most of Sunday off, but I haven't really taken a day off in a while, and I think I'm feeling it. And I will not be taking the day off tomorrow. Saturday, I may just take it. I say that, but then it's going to be like, I got so much to do, okay? Which I'm grateful for it, because I'm in a position where I've been able to help other people, not just with trading. I've been able to help other people in other ways. I've been able to take on a few people to do some work for me. Between responsible day trading and you profit trader, I feel very, very lucky. And so when I have even the mindset about me to recognize when I'm being in a greedy moment in trading, saying, Lindsay, this is not the time. It's not right. You need to breathe. You need to let it go. And I get to eat tacos. Bottom half says tequila. So tacos and tequila. It's what got me in this predicament in the first place, where I need to work out a little bit more, and the plan is to get up at 5:30 and do that, but I haven't quite made it there yet because I cannot get myself to sleep before 12:30. So I'm working on scaling that back just a little bit to be in bed just a little earlier. I know once I'm back up working out at 5:30 in the morning, my game is going to be on, so y'all better watch out is all I'm saying for that. Y'all don't forget, we've still got that discount for a new profit trader through the end of April. I don't think we'll be running those discounts much longer after that. So be sure you check that out. If you've got questions, definitely let me know. Hit us up. You can hit us up at info@Responsible Day Trading, support@Responsible Day Trading, Lindsay@Responsible Day Trading, Jason@Responsible Day Trading, whatever you need to do, you can hit us up. But I do hope that everyone has a fantastic Thursday. I might be around tomorrow. Let's see if I can get to sleep before midnight tonight. I'm shooting for 11. I'm tired, so I just need to lay it down, turn off the TikTok, and close the eyes. So that's on the agenda for tonight. All right, everybody, have a fabulous Thursday. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.